Hi and welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, I will show you on how we can check collision between a view or views in an Android app or rather an Android game. So for instance, this is my app, just a sample app, and then when I move the player, it will detect a collision. So you can see the player touch the bucket, it's being toasted. So let's see how this is done. So I created a more block extra. Inside the extra, I added a boolean that is to check if a collision actually did exist. So it will check if the collision did exist. Then once it exists, in our create under our view, I use this block to listen to when the player is being moved. So this will listen to when the player is being moved. So now when the player is being moved, we are going to set our player to every position our finger touches. So we are going to set only the X, but if we want the player to go up, we change it. Want the player to go up, we change it to set Y. Just like in a graph, that's what we call X and Y. So that is why you can see here it only goes left to right. It doesn't go up to down, but only left to right. So if we want it to go up to down, then we have to do something like this. Image view 1, image view 1 dot set Y underscore motion events dot get raw events dot get raw Y. So this is our check. We check if image view 1 touches image view 2. So if we touch it, we can toast. So let's just quickly see this. So you can see now, we can drag the player to any part of the screen, any part. So that is it. You can see when the player touches it. That is all. Thanks for watching this video. Please support by sharing this video. Thanks once more.